Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to unlock a section in Word. Chapter 1. How to unlock a section in Word from information. To start, open Word. You can verify that it is not possible to edit the file. Click Edit anyway. It will now be possible to edit the document. Another option you have is to go to the File menu and click on Info. After that, click on Protect Document. Click on Mark as Final. Now you can edit the file. Chapter 2. How to unlock a section in Word from Developer. To begin, open Word. You will see that the section is locked. Now in the File menu, click on Options. Here in Customize ribbon, activate or validate that the developer box is enabled. Click OK. After this, in the Developer tab, click on Restrict Editing. After this, click on Stop Protection. If necessary, enter the password. Now you can edit the Word file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.